I came from Pakistan, and I've done my schooling here, and I've applied for citizenship, but I did not get it. So I was waiting to see. Then I married a Indian, saying hearing the news like you get married to an Indian so you can get faster. I got married, but still it was in process. So I last the CAA Act I heard of. So I applied through this, and it was very fast. It was just like 3 months I got it. The processing was very smooth, and I really thank the government for the citizen of India, and I'm happy I'm an Indian now.
No, before the CA could come into force, what were the hurdles, difficulties that you had to go through just to think that I might get an Indian citizenship?
It was very tough, because I was staying here on a visit visa, and stay visa. So I had to every time go to the FRO, every time to Home
Every 6
Department.
months.
Every 6 months. Then it became 1 year, so. Then every year I was going.
So
and
this was
I had
all
to
the last 43 years you were doing?
last 43.
So you had to go into FRO office every now and then?
Yes, I have to go to the office to renew it every year.
And how did you thought of applying through CA? Just because government came into this, or you thought it
No,
would be a
actually,
private?
I heard of it. 2019, it had come out, CAA. So I didn't know where it was. It is coming in force or no. So suddenly I heard in the news or Google somewhere I heard it has come and I heard of the news of Joseph Pereira. He had got the citizen. So I said, why not I apply online? So I went and I applied online, and then I was still waiting, no news. So then I approached them, and they said it is in process, and very fast, I received it.
And in the last 43 years, you have been to Pakistan any time?
No, I have not. Since I have come to India, I have not been to Pakistan. I don't know about Pakistan.
Okay, so you have been in Goan.
Yes.
Okay, tell me your name. So how do you see this?
I am very happy because we can move out now. Since we are married and kids, we are in Goa only. Even he asks me, my friends go out, but we cannot move out. Then now it's very happy and want to take him. I'm also happy he can work at least. It was very difficult. We had some restaurants and all I had put on my name, but it was not enough with 3 kids. So now at least he can work, and a family can be happy family.
So better late than never.
Yeah.